Hey everyone, want to know how to edit or unsend your messages on Facebook Messenger using your Android device? We all make typing mistakes or message the wrong person sometimes, and it can get awkward real quick. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix it fast. So without any delay, let's jump right in. How to edit a message on Messenger. Note, the edit feature might not be available for everyone yet. If you don't see it, skip to the unsend method below. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Go to the chat where you send the message. Long press the message you want to edit. If your app supports it, tap Edit. Make your changes, then tap Save or Done. How to unsend a message on Messenger. If editing isn't available or you want to delete the message entirely, do this. Open the Messenger app. Go to the conversation with the message. Long press the message you want to remove. Tap Remove. Choose one of the following. Unsend for everyone deletes the message from both sides. Remove for you deletes the message only from your chat. Tap Confirm and it's gone. And that's how you can edit or unsend your messages on Facebook Messenger using your Android phone. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful messenger tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.